Welcome back. You are watching Pree Dis. We're still here in Hope Gardens at Kingston Kitchen. Definitely one of my favorite events now. Keeping the show rolling. Let's go across the Antigua for Jamal Gordon. He's a 13-year-old with wonderful talent, with a video that was shot by Jay with a song called Too Young. Is this you too young for a good song? Listen up, Pree Dis.
Love will break your heart, that's what they told me. That I'm too young for that, but they don't know me, And I hear what they say when I see you looking at me that way. They say that we're too young to fall in love. They say that we're too young to fall in love. Fall in love, too young to fall in love, fall in love, too young to fall in love. Let's go live it up, spend the day out in the sun. Not too young to fall in love, so we're out here having fun. I'm your kind of boy, and you're my type of girl. We can try to prove them wrong, 'cause baby I adore you. Maybe just love.
Now, our new sponsors on the show, Superior Parts, are the specialists when it comes to Honda parts. Now, listen up for the service tip on maintaining your Honda Civic vehicle. Right here on Pree Dis, we bring it to you each and every week. Check it out.
Anyone who knows what it's like to replace a transmission or drive with an irregular, irritated transmission will tell you that transmission fluid is a vital ingredient to your car's success and performance. The fluid in an automatic transmission impacts how well the transmission shifts, how smoothly it transitions, and the overall durability of the transmission. Furthermore, this single ingredient can increase your Civic's fuel economy and in the process save you money at the gas pumps.
Now it's time for some food, and I'm here at Backyard Barbecue. You're watching Pree Dis. We're going across the Caribbean right now for the top 10 Caribbean song right here on Pree Dis. Check it out.
You bring joy in a me life. Come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you have to try. Where you did there all me life. You bring joy in a me life. Me love you, and me happy. I can stay away from you. Me, I'm finally free when I see you with someone new to tell you the truth. Honestly, the new world order, you must treat it like the new world order, my people. Can't tell me why not cut. Charlie, know you love it, tell me why not cut.
Check a premium up when you wine and cut position. What a time, what a time, what a time, what a time. Man and woman combine. Wanna live this moment till the end of time.
I don't care about where and who. The one thing you got to do is make me believe you. When you're lying,
I'm in love for your call here, sing with. In the shots and the everything I get fling with. In the
she said, hurry up, push it to the limit. Oh, don't you worry.
And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers for
Him say him now make him daughter stray, but reggae music she start to play it. Listen me, you're watching Pree Dis, and I'm sad to say that's all we have for you on this week's edition of the #1 show. You know it's a Christmas edition, so to people in the whole Caribbean, in Canada, in New York, all over the world, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. You can hit us up on Twitter, on Instagram, you know the links, and tell us Merry Christmas. Just send us a shout out, and we have something for you in the show. Until next week, my name is Kruddy. Big up Kevin, Terrence. Therefore, you know the whole Pree Dis team. I'm out.
Well, this is Conscience, and you're watching Pree Dis. And for this Christmas, may I preach peace, love, and ambition for the youth. Them. So may I say, make sure you get up off of the corner, go look at work, or go make a work. So may I say, if you can't get to work, make a work. See? Big up.
Yeah, this is Tanya Stevens, and I want to wish all of Jamaica and everybody else a blessed holiday season. Whatever you celebrate, you know, hopefully you have a good season.
On behalf of us here at Lime, this is Stephen Price, head of retail. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Pree Dis.